In this section, we will talk about the heart. The circulation system includes cardiovascular system and lymphatic system, as illustrated in the picture. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart, arteries, veins, and capillaries, and it's filled with blood. Lymphatic system, there are cell components, lymphatic vessels, lymphatic tissues, and lymphatic organs. Cardiovascular system, here is the master contents. Please pay attention to something to master, something we must be familiar with, and something we to understand. The heart. The heart is located in the mediastinum. It's surrounded by the lung. Here demonstrate the heart, the lung, and the liver. There are two surfaces. The sternocostal surface is mainly formed by the right atrium and the right ventricular, and also the diaphragmatic surface is just above the diaphragm. Here demonstrated the diaphragmatic surface. There are three margins: the right margin, the horizon margin, and the left margin. Foreground, as illustrated in the picture, is the interarticular groove, anterior interventricular groove, posterior intercurrent groove, and also the coronary sulcus. This picture demonstrates the four orifices of the right atrium, as demonstrated in the picture. The orifice of superior vena cava, and the orifice of the inferior vena cava, atrioventricular orifice, and orifice of the coronary sinus. The atrioventricular orifice, they are, as demonstrated in the picture, the mitral valve and the tricuspid valve. The aortic orifice and valve, these mainly demonstrate as the picture. They are aortic sinus, aortic valve, and orifices of coronary artery. The interatrium septum is a septum between the left and the right atrium. With the interior view of the right atrium, we can see crystal terminatus and pectinate muscle. From the outside, we can see the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, and they are divided by sulcus terminalis. We can also see the right auricle. It's the appendage of the right atrium, the right ventricle. As demonstrated in the picture, is the situation of the right ventricle. Inside the right ventricular, we can see the tricuspid complex, which includes coronus arteriosus, supraventricular crest, trabecular cardia. This demonstrates the septomarginal trabecular, which is the character structure of right ventricular. This picture demonstrates the left atrium. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood and permeates to the left ventricle. This demonstrates an opening of the pulmonary vein. The left ventricle. With the interior view of the left ventricle, we can see the mitral complex, which includes mitral valve, condylardental tenderly. This demonstrates the width of the heart. When compared with pulmonary and aortic valves, they both open during systole with cuspid pressed. The vessel wall as blood is forced upward and closed during diastole. This section, we talk the heart. That's all for this section. See you next section.